RNA-based therapies are transforming modern medicine. To support this transformation, CASTL's Montreal training facility, through the CQDM-led RNA Initiative, is spearheading a one-of-a-kind Canadian program, the Factory School for RNA Therapies. With rapid advances in RNA therapies and Quebec's recognized research expertise, this initiative aims to equip the sector with a highly skilled workforce ready to meet the demands of a fast-growing industry. The Factory School for RNA Therapies provides specialized training programs designed to strengthen knowledge and skills in RNA therapy production. CASTL's state-of-the-art facility faithfully replicates real-world RNA-based therapy manufacturing conditions. It delivers hands-on training in the biomanufacturing of therapeutic RNAs in a GMP-simulated environment with access to state-of-the-art purification and lipid nanoparticle encapsulation equipment. This capability is integrated within CASTL's existing facilities, which already simulate monoclonal antibody production. Our introductory module will familiarize learners with the fundamentals of the biomanufacturing of therapeutic RNAs, an introduction to the biomanufacturing of messenger RNA, and more specifically, messenger RNA encapsulated in lipid nanoparticles. Next, customized and advanced modules tailored to the specific needs of the industry further develop the technical skills required to work on these innovative therapies. Finally, a suite of complementary academic training options spanning the full professional continuum, from vocational training, DEP, through PhD level, will enrich the learning pathway, ensuring comprehensive preparation aligned with sector requirements. The RNA Therapy Factory School offers a hybrid learning model that combines in-person theoretical and hands-on instruction with virtual training modules. The RNA Therapy Factory School provides the opportunity to prepare for tomorrow's challenges and accelerate innovation in healthcare. Join CASTL to shape the future of RNA therapeutics.